How to build your Nike scraper. First, go to your web browser and type Nike.com. Select a department. I selected men's, shoes, and football. For this tutorial, I will be using https://www.nike.com/shoes-3HJ8MZY70K for my URL. Go to your terminal and type pip install requests and press enter. Then type pip install Beautiful Soup 4 and press enter. Now go to your Python editor or VS Code editor and enter this code. Once you have compiled and checked your code for errors, make sure to run your code.